Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a Facebook post on different niches. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a Facebook post on sports niche. So you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can sell offline. You can search on google.com and search the websites related to sports and ask them that you can maintain their social media presence or Facebook presence, and they will surely hire you. This is very easy to learn skill, and we just make a post in 3 to 4 minutes. So let's get started. So I'm going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and it is very handy and easy to use. If you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I uploaded a complete playlist which is called Canva Designing Course, and after watching the playlist you will surely know everything about Canva. So let's move towards our video. So I click on create a design, and here I search Facebook post. I click on square. After that I write here sport, sorry, sport. So it shows me different images related to sports. So we choose one of the template and start customizing the template. So I think it is good. Yeah, that's good. So first of all I would like to change the photo. So I search here volleyball. So I like this image. After that I want to change the background color black. Yeah, black. We have to add some elements like volleyball. So this is a good image. After that we can also change the color of this one, like in red. Yeah, it's look good. So guys, our image is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.